Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video we will discuss about the Power BI technology. And these are the headings that we are going to cover in this video. First we will see what is Microsoft Power BI. After that we will see why we use the Power BI technology and what are the different components that are available in the Power BI technology. And finally we will see how to download and install the Power BI desktop application. So let's begin with the Power BI technology. So what is Microsoft Power BI? The Microsoft Power BI technology is used to analyze the data and provide the visualization of the data to the organization or the user. And the BI stands for Business Intelligence. And also Power BI is a collection of software services which turns the unrelated data sources from various datasets to the coherent, impressive and interactive insights, which also helps to the business users by providing the information when they are working with the huge data. Now we will see how the Microsoft Power BI works. Initially, it gets raw data from the various data sources. After that, it converts into the model data. From the data model, we can create the reports and the dashboards, and we can share with the other users or the business users. This is how the flow works. We should also know what are the different components that are presented in the Microsoft Power BI. These are the three Power BI components. The first one is Power BI Desktop, and the second one is Power BI Service, and the third one is Power BI Mobile Apps. Power BI Desktop is the application which we can install in our local system. Power BI Service is a software as a service platform where we can use only in the browser mode. And the Power BI Mobile Apps is available for Windows, Android as well as the iOS application, where we can easily see the generated report in our mobile. Now we will see how to download and install it. I have given link in the description box as well. You can select the link and download the Power BI desktop application. First open the link. I will show you how to download it. From the Microsoft Download Center, go for the Microsoft Power BI desktop. After that, select the language and choose the download option. Here choose the file based on your system requirement and click on the next option. It will be downloaded. In this case I have already downloaded. So here you can see the file has been downloaded. Setup has been downloaded. Right click on the application. Click run as administrator. Choose yes. Click next. Click repair. Click on the next option and choose the finish option, so that the Microsoft Power BI desktop will be downloaded to our local system desktop. Once the Power BI desktop has been downloaded, this is how it looks. Now we can choose the get data option to get data. We can get data from various sources. In this example, I am going to choose the Excel workbook. And this is the Excel file. Select the data and click on the load option. Here you can see the data has been loaded. This is how we can load the data into the Power BI desktop. So this is how we can download and install the Power BI desktop application to our local system desktop and load the data into the Power BI desktop. Thanks for watching this video, and these are the free video tutorials that are available in our YouTube channel. Please take a look and share with your friends. Thank you, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel.